If you're looking to freshen up the air around you and be able to choose exactly the type of scent that you want to use, you're going to love this portable essential oil diffuser that I got from Airversa. I'm Gina with WTI, and I've been using this everywhere. I really love that it is perfect for use in your car. This is waterless, so I can simply just pour in my essential oil into it, and it's in a glass container. It even included a fragrance for you to use. Even though it's small, it's powerful. There's 3 timers on it and 3 different mist levels. I found that using it on low in my small sedan covered all of the space that it needed to without overwhelming me. I also took this on vacation with me because it's light, it's portable, and I could place it easily inside the room. I got the black color. It's very sleek and nondescript, and you can see how strong the stream of scent is that it puts into the air. So whether you want to create an atmosphere of relaxation or more energy, this little diffuser is going to be the key. I really love it, and I think you will too. And that's my point of view.